Chapter 3 Triangles. We go to the first theorem under Chapter 3 Triangles, which is called as Theorem of Remote Interior Angles of a Triangle. Let us see what the statement is. The statement is the measure of each exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. We are talking about one of the exterior angle of a triangle, and we are saying that it is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. Now first let us look at the figure and try to identify which is the exterior angle of a triangle we are talking about in reference to this figure and which are the remote interior angles. Now look at this figure here. You identify here that we have a triangle PQR. You see that the side QR is extended to a point S such that an angle is formed here called angle PRS. Now this angle which is formed here is outside the triangle and therefore it is called as the exterior angle of the triangle. So this angle PRS here is the exterior angle of the triangle. I will name it here. It is the exterior angle. Now the statement was telling us that the measure of each exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. This is the exterior angle. The interior angle corresponding to it is this angle, that is angle PRQ. Now we are not referring to this angle, we are referring to remote interior angles, means that other than this angle, that is other than the interior angle which is adjacent to the exterior angle which we are referring to, which are the other two interior angles, that is this angle P and this angle Q. So if I were to name this angle P and angle Q with three alphabets, I would say angle QPR and angle PQR. So angle QPR and angle PQR are the remote interior angles and angle PRS is the exterior angle. So now let us go to the stepwise derivation of this theorem. First is what is given to us. Now you see here that angle PRS is the exterior angle of the triangle. Which triangle? Triangle PQR. So we write here angle PRS is the exterior angle of triangle PQR. Now what have we to prove? The measure of the exterior angle of the triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. Exterior angle is angle PRS. So to prove angle PRS is equal to the sum of the remote interior angles, that is angle P and angle Q, but we will name it with three alphabets, that is angle PQR and angle QPR. So I will write is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. That is what I have to prove. Now when I start the proof, first I use this property, that is angle sum property of a triangle. The sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Now if the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, then we have angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degrees. So let me write, therefore angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degrees. Now we see here that angle PRQ plus angle PRS. You see angle PRQ and angle PRS, they form a linear pair, right? This angle plus this angle form a straight line. Therefore, they form a linear pair. So, we can also write that this is numbered as 1. So, this angles in a linear pair, we'll write it next. Angle PRQ plus angle PRS. Angle PRQ plus angle PRS is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason? They are angles in a linear pair. So we have numbered this as 2. Therefore, now what can we say from 1 and 2? This sum is equal to 180 degrees. This sum is also equal to 180 degrees. So, can I say both the left hand sides are equal to each other? So, from 1 and 2, I can say angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRS. Now we look at both the sides, the left hand side and right hand side of what we had got. Do we see any of the angle common on either sides, left hand side and right hand side? Yes. We see that angle PRQ is present on both the sides, left hand side and right hand side. Therefore, I can cancel it. So, what do we say for that? Eliminating angle PRQ from both the sides. What happens? We cancel both the sides, angle PRQ. So, what is remaining? Angle PQR plus angle QPR is equal to angle PRS. Now, I exchange the left hand side and the right hand side. That is, I write angle PRS on the left hand side and write this angle PQR and angle QPR on the right hand side. So, what happens? Therefore, angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. Now I look at what I had to prove. What was it? Angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. Is it the same thing? Angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. What was angle PRS? It was the exterior angle of the triangle. What are these? Angle PQR and angle QPR. We said they are the remote interior angles. Remote means it is far away. When we use the remote for the TV is far away and the remote is with us. When we are away from the TV, we can use it. So that is why they are called as remote interior angles. The word remote is attached to it. That is why. So therefore, what does this statement say? The measure of each exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. Thus, we have proved this statement.